Today we have a 1957 Austin Healey 100-6. It is what we would call preservation. It's got 43,000 original miles. It has been sympathetically restored and cared for mechanically after sitting for many, many years. But as you can see, the cosmetics were left original. And it's got a nice little factory hardtop. We're going to show you how it drives. We'll be right back. Well, here's our cold start in the basement. We're going to bring it up, warm it up a little bit, then put it through its paces. It's really cool because it's scruffy, but solid, and exceptionally good driver. So we're going to warm it up a little bit because it is cold, cold, cold. And come back to you as we normally do. Okay, so we're at operating temperature. Close your eyes and picture this as restored. Everything feels as though it's new. I mean, the car is really tight. It's really, really, really fun. It's just a Healey that is languished from lack of use and then was recommissioned in the next ownership. So it's pretty cool, actually. As you can see, everything sounds wonderful. As I've gotten older, I seem to like this preservation stuff that's actually been well maintained. I mean, maybe it's just because, I don't want to wash them like I used to. You don't feel badly about using the car. A little dent here and there. And as long as it drives really, really well, it's fun. Nice headliner. A little bit of Long Island traffic here. Alrighty, let's go. Signals are working, lights are working, everything is working. Down our twisty road here, and run down our wonderful farm road and show you how the Overdrive works. It's got the lights off. Really tight, really fun. Again, you drive it as it is, or throw a paint job on it, the car is equally as nice, but a little freshened up. Once again, the brakes do work really well. The water temperature is at 195. And it's 80 degrees out today, so she's a happy little girl. Or a little boy. Depends. So in fourth gear you can see Overdrive works, and you can cruise all day long. Overdrive off. It works in both third and fourth gears. So I hope you've enjoyed this. preservation and does everything right. And it's tight. And look, no hands. And the track's straight. Look, the brake's straight. It's going with the road a little bit, but you know what I mean. It did that when it was due. So, if anyone is interested, by all means contact us to give it another new home.